back to JR14. I look like an idiot right now. Okay. Alright, so we just looked at a little bit of the car show. As you can see now here, we're actually on the track right now. So we're actually going to go to the next event, which is the ride along in the race car M3. I believe it's an M3 race car. I'm not too sure, but I just got to go to the tower, let them know I'm here, and I'm going to take you guys on a ride along with me. I'm excited. I hope you guys are too. Woo! Oh, these Porsches. All these Porsches out here, bro. I'm telling you. So now you know what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead. We're going to figure out where we need to sign in at and make sure we can get the ride along in the race car on Limerock Raceway. We're here for the ride along. The same M3 I drove yesterday on the autocross track. Oh, they bite. You really got to put a workout in. Amazing driving. Wow. That is an experience. I got to get on this track. Oh man, brakes wasn't going to cut it. My stock brakes are not going to cut it.
Oh, give us a call. You can use these cars.
Oh man.
That's what they're for.
Oh, that was absolutely great. Oh man, thank you. Thank you very much.
My pleasure.
Ooh. Just one buckle releases all. Okay. As I gather my thoughts. That was excellent. Thank you very much. Alright guys, that was absolutely amazing. Being in a that was pretty much an M3. I believe it was an E30. E90. M3 is a sedan. Stick shift manual, doing it the old-fashioned way. On that straight, we had been doing like 130 miles an hour, and that's not an exaggeration. I'm sorry the camera was shaky. You don't understand. Now I understand why 24-hour, and they call it endurance racing. You really, it's a struggle to really keep the cars going and to keep yourself, to keep the endurance going with yourself to keep running. That was absolutely epic. Yo, eEuro parts. You guys are doing it, man. You guys are doing it. But now we're finished with that. That was the personality experience behind the wheel. I did say I was going to get into a race car. However, the race car was broken down. There was issues with it. So they don't have any more power or anything like that. The race car was just a stripped down roll cage, full racing seats and harness. That would have been a great experience. But that that M3 was absolutely epic. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go back in my car. We're going to hit that autocross track. But first we got to get some food in the stomach. I'm built up with quite of an appetite. So without further ado, let's go.